Happy whatever day it is, my cash cow family. I know I've been missing in action. But guys, in this video, I am going to share with you an affiliate program that I think you should join. I've joined this program in the past or tried to promote it in the past, but it's been a couple years. But I'm going to start taking affiliate marketing a little bit more seriously. So if you'd like to generate that kind of income, $1,000 a day, $30,000 a month while you sleep, do stay tuned for the video. Did you miss me? I'm sure you have. I know, I say that every frickin' time. But here we are. Anyway, guys, have you seen this gentleman's face right here before? I'm sure you have if you're in the affiliate marketing world. Anyway, his name is Chad Bartlett, and he promotes a software program with recurring commissions for Builderall. And like I said earlier, I have tried to promote this in the past. Obviously, I wasn't that successful, but this was a couple years ago, maybe even 3. And I was trying to direct link, which, as I've stated in my most recent videos, you can't really do that anymore. I mean, yes, of course you can, but with a product like this, you really can't. So, like I stated, I'm going to start taking this way more seriously. He's doing this challenge, and I know what he's doing here. He's really good at affiliate marketing and sales and putting together email sequences and stuff like that. So anyway, guys, what I'm asking you to do and what I'm going to try and show you, we're going to do this together. We're going to join. I'll put an affiliate link down below where you can join and you'll be underneath me. So let's just do this. Let's just dive in here and we're going to do this together. Obviously, it's a 14-day trial, guys. But one of the reasons why I'm going to start promoting this is because, 1, it's a great product. And for 2, it's recurring commissions. For 3, we'll both learn, or we'll all learn together, how to set up these email sequences, how to create super easy landing pages like this to get people to join Builderall using your affiliate link. And what did I say, 3? This is number 4. The 4th reason why is because they have 2-tier affiliate commissions. So just say for instance, I get Chad involved. So he's underneath me. So not only do I get 30% commissions from whatever I sell, I also get 30% commissions of whatever he sells. So guys, it doesn't get any better than that. And the 5th reason being is, you guys know I promote Kartra and I make like $1,500 a month every single month without doing anything. Yes, I do run a couple ads, but maybe I spend at most $5 a day just to get some new people signed up. So, I mean, it's very powerful. And there's a calculator in there that shows you exactly how much you can make and this, that, and the other. Just to give you an idea. I mean, he promotes a lot of other different things. He has his own courses, and you know I'm never going to do that. But he's making $30,000 or $1,000 a day by simply promoting Builderall. And you might be asking, well, why wouldn't you do that with Kartra? Kartra isn't the product that Builderall is. Builderall has a way more, they've got more market share. How's that? So anyway, guys, I'll stop babbling. And if you are new to the channel, please like the video. It really helps me, guys. I've made over 240 videos now, and you see my subscriber count. So yeah, I've been doing affiliate marketing for well over 25 years, amongst other things. But affiliate marketing, in my opinion, is the best business model for anyone who's a beginner trying to make money online. So, okay, I'll shut up now. What we're going to do is we're going to click Get Your Builderall account here. My checkout is being prepared. Now, guys, don't freak out. Obviously, you can cancel this if you don't think it's right for you. But it's really the only way to get into the affiliate program. And that's another thing, guys. Reason number 6, I think we're on, or 7. Kartra, several of you, I think one person has signed up over the last 2 years for Kartra, an affiliate underneath me, and he's done nothing, which no big deal. I expect that. But this Builderall's system affiliate program, almost everyone is accepted. I don't know why you wouldn't be accepted. So, and that's huge because a lot of you weren't able to become a part of Kartra's program. They're more particular with who they want promoting it. So again, best affiliate program for beginners, in my opinion. So let's I'll do all this stuff. I'm hoping they don't have my phone in here, but we're going to find out real quick. Guys, and the other thing that's great, you saw what I just did there. You don't have to put your credit card information in there. I know I just said that you could simply cancel it, but that's awesome. And as you can see, guys, down here below, you were referred by Chad Bartlett. So if you're clicking on my link, obviously it's going to say you were referred by Kevin Barnes, which is my real name. But I go by KB. You guys can call me KB. Okay, so let's continue. Oh, I lied, guys. I lied. Obviously, we have to put it in a credit card. So guys, this shouldn't be, I mean, again, you can cancel it. All right. So what I always do, guys, is I write down the date. What is the date? The 12th? So I'll put like cancel Builderall. I'll just do it for like 10 days. So I don't forget to cancel, which I'm not going to cancel, but I'm saying for you. If you get wet feet, you get scared. Don't get scared. Speaking of being scared, guys, again, I know I look like a rocket scientist over here in California, but I'm far from that. What I do that you guys don't do is I take action. I'm being dead serious here. I've failed at numerous businesses. I failed at numerous, promoting numerous affiliate programs. But guys, you just have to keep going. Trust me, it works. Trust me. So anyway, finalize payment, sending your card for analysis. And I'm going to end this video soon, only because obviously this is going to be a challenge and case study. And we're trying to do this together. And I don't want to make this video too long, but this is exactly what I would do, guys. He is giving you all of his funnels, all of his email sequences, all of that to use. And again, I know why he does that. So you sign up and blah, blah, blah. That's just marketing 101. Let me click join the community here. Okay. Obviously they have he's got a Discord, server. And guys, I'm going to link to his video too. But don't you dare subscribe join under his affiliate link. Oh, frickin' come over there. I'll find your ass. But I'll put a link to the video, which is right here. Let me just show you what it looks like.
So around 6 months ago.
Whoops. So it's this one that was 12 days ago. Clone my exact 1K day affiliate marketing business. I'll put a link to his video. But again, do not sign up under him, please, for the love of God. So let's continue with this. Obviously, I'll fast forward through this. I already have an account. Yes, I tell you, I don't read shit. That might be my ADHD problem in full effect. Step 1, the product. Now, guys, I have not been in this platform, and I know this has changed certainly since from a few years ago. I'm not going to get into any of this until other videos, but I can tell you right now, guys, I'm going to learn Builderall inside and out, kind of like I know with Kartra. Well, maybe not even that much with Kartra anymore. I mean, they're always updating and blah, blah, blah. And I guess I got an email stating that Builderall 6.0 is being released like within the next, I don't know, 7 to 10 days, which is awesome. They have over 40 different tools for digital marketing and all that. I accept. Okay, guys, so this is obviously, this looks a little bit the same, but again, you just once you're to this step, go into the affiliates, and then you can get your affiliate link. Where is that at? I'd urge you guys to watch this, maybe this intro video, because this is a little daunting if you've never been inside an affiliate marketing dashboard. Oh, my affiliate link is right here. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to put it in the description down below, guys. It'll be the first description down below. And like I said, we'll do this together. We can frickin' kill it. We can frickin' kill it. So anyway, make sure you click on that link, get signed up, and then I'll be making another video as I learn about what I'm doing. So make sure you got the notification bell and all that checked. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so. again, I've been making money for over 25 years, and I love helping you guys do the same. I do have some success stories, but not many. But if you got off your butt and took action, guys, I'm telling you, this is the best way to make money, and you make money in your sleep. Imagine making $1,000 a day, guys, from not doing. I mean, yes, you have to put in the initial work, as I have and as Chad has. But guys, I would say within 2 months, you should be making at least $100 a day. But again, I'm going to help you guys, and I look forward to doing this. I'm actually really excited. I'm kind of getting goosebumps. So anyway, I'm going to end it at that. Click on that link in the description below, and I'll see your monkey butts soon. Peace.